Cabbage is a very versatile ingredient. We can eat it in salads, pickles, soup, pies, juices, etc. But what many don't know is that cabbage contains quite a few healthy properties. This vegetable contains large amounts of vitamin C, which helps produce healthy skin and collagen, boosts our immune system, improves eye health, and protects against heart disease, among other benefits. Cabbage also has the ability to quicken the healing of ulcers, prevent certain types of cancer, such as colon cancer, and much more. In addition, cabbage contains substances that, if consumed regularly, accelerate the metabolism of estrogen, decreasing the chances of the development of breast, uterus, and ovarian cancer. But eating cabbage isn't the only way to benefit from its properties. Cabbage leaves have several uses that we're going to show you in today's video. 1. Breast pain due to breastfeeding. Women who are breastfeeding usually experience breast pain due to nursing babies or congested milk. Whatever the reason, cabbage leaves can help. To do this, just put fresh leaves on your breasts. It will reduce pain and inflammation in no time. 2. Headaches. If you have headaches from lack of sleep, stress, or fatigue, try putting some cabbage leaves on the affected region. Ideally, let the cabbage leaves cover both sides of your head, and if necessary, use a cap to hold the leaves in place. 3. Bruises and wounds. If you have been hit or bruised, you may be able to get some relief by putting a cabbage leaf on the affected area. You can do the same in case of ankle, joint, or knee pain. If it's convenient, you can leave the leaves on from one day to the next using a bandage. 4. Thyroid glands. Cabbage can help regulate these glands. Simply put a few leaves on the throat and neck area, directly on the skin, then wrap it with a tissue to keep it warm at night. Sleep with the compress and remove and wash the area the next morning. Now that you know a little more about the benefits of cabbage leaves, start using them. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.